So let's do a quick repair on this weed whacker. Blood busted primer bubble. As you can see, that won't help it running. It won't keep it running anyway. Let's just fire it up, see if it runs, and then make sure it's worth fixing the primer bubble first. A little bit of direct injection. Up. And then let's fire it up. Oh yeah. Wow. Wow. So this is what the scrap man brought me. I have a friendly scrap man, brings me anything with a motor, and he brought me this. So let's take it apart, put a bubble on it, and then go from there. To take this off, we're going to take them 2 screws out, and then we'll get to the bubble. I've seen a few of them where there's a couple of screws just holding the bubble in. Oh, it's tight. Of course it's tight. There we go. Oh, separate primer bubble. Ooh, what's that? What does that do? Where does that go? Oh, it goes into there, I see. Vents into there. Let's have a closer look. So that tube there vents into there, and then it's all one piece for the primer bubble. Maybe it clips out. Okay, let's prise this apart. There we go. That's the part that we need off. I wonder if you can just get a replacement for that bubble. I managed to remove the primer bubble. It's just one little plastic bubble. I wonder how much they are. So really what you got to say to yourself is, why do people throw things away? And there's always a reason. Now this weed whacker works perfectly, but it's got a leak and it won't hold gas. It won't run for very long. So I think this is going to be like a $2 or $3 part, and we can fit it and get it working. So which one? Okay, so let's see if it fits. I don't know, it look right. Perfect. The fuel filter too. that one in there. But okay, they're in now. Gee, they were a bit tight to get in, those two little grommets. But I think we're close to getting it fixed. Pre-mixed. Let's see what happens here. Get a... Oh yeah, there we go.
Where are you going?
Nearly.